So this is a quick demo showing how to create an object. You basically just select the location where you want the object to go. You right click, choose new, and object structure. You have the choice between creating an ordinary object or a list of object and values. So we're going to create just a basic object. We'll give it a name, call it test object, and you click create. That creates the object. Now you can open this up to edit it. Right click, you choose Explorer. It gives you a bunch of options. Go to Object. You can choose to explore an object lazily or fully. We'll just choose fully, which really just means to load the whole structure for you. So we'll open this up and we can add a value. Add value 5. That gives you a new. Now you can create more objects to create a full object graph. So let's say next object would be linked to this main object. You have to make it executable and say next object. You need to add those two curly braces to the end. That's how the system knows it's an object that you want to create. And just as you see this, you click go, and that will create an object for you and add it to this main object. So now you have a new object, and you can do the same as you did before. Obj val. You can change the type. So we want this to be an integer, and you click go. Now, if you want to see the value of this whole object structure, you need to open the main object and make it publicly accessible. This is basically a security setting that says, I want this to be executable from the browser. Now we can right click, say open in browser, and allow pop-up. Just do this again, open in browser, and that reveals our object. So that's how you create an object and see the values of it fairly quickly.